Hey guys, what's up? So today we're showing the top of Checkra1n files 11, 12, 13, 14. First is called Hestia Global Jailbreak Detection Bypass. So it was going to update a couple times because of some issues. You guys can read the the updates for yourself. This is called Lib Miro Prefs, share library for my tweets preferences. This is called Easy YouTube, adds quick gestures to the YouTube app. So you drag your finger left to right, simply drag your finger left to right, the brightness, to adjust the volume, to seek your video, like going forward and backward, and it's completely free for iOS 13 and 14. This is called Vesta, and access all your applications with a swipe, access all your applications with a beautiful app drawer, available on your home screen or within any application. This is called Buy Sponsor FB, and removes all the ads in the Facebook app. This is called April, and allows you to change your custom background image, blur, light, dark, or epic, custom cell alpha. This is called HD Avatar, and default size of an emoji or a memoji stickers is no more than 500 pixel by 500 pixel, and stickers look 2 pixelated. This equals double the size. This is called Let Me See. This one's Let Me Switch. Overrides actions that advance you to the next keyboard available on any third-party keyboard to show keyboards list instead. This is called 1.1, your device, your way. This is called PoJav Launcher iOS Dev, and brings Minecraft Java Edition comes to iOS. This is very one PoJav Launcher iOS, Java Edition launcher for iOS based on PoJav Launcher Android. This is called 4 DIRs and 4x4 photos on iOS 14. This is called Grinder Enhancer, blots more ads, and Grinder BMI adds body mass index to Grinder profiles. This is called PIP Enabler, also Zestia, Cold Refraction, fits rare issue compatibility mode, add a preference icon, fits another issue with tweak may not checked properly, add patches for 6 new detection techniques, wrote 8 old hooks to be more efficient, and full optimization for lib hooker. But this week, guys, PIP Enabler enables picture-in-picture feature for some apps. This is called UPIP, enables native the picture-in-picture on the YouTube app. This is called YTHC Unlocker, unlocks HD videos in the YouTube app. This is called Status Bar Timer, and shows the main time on timer in the status bar. This is called Neon Board, and a fully featured lightweight theme engine for your iOS device, iOS 7 to 14. This is called Volify, as a volume slider to Spotify. And you guys, thanks so much for watching. Catch you next one. Like, comment, subscribe, and peace.